All right, so we are back for page 216, numbers 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I've really spaced out my answers. And it's a really good thing to do because it keeps you organized, it keeps you accurate, and it keeps you from making careless mistakes. So taking a look at number 4, I want to point out to you that I used the strategy. Right? I used actually both strategies that we've been practicing on page 214 and 215. If you did some other way to find the answer, you need to now go back and bump up your answer by showing one of the two methods. The first method is the groups with the dots. Before in one of the questions they were cookies, now they are marbles. And I can figure out that 2/3 of 20, which are blue, would be 8 altogether. If I showed the answer with this diagram, it would be a level 3. I could also earn a level 3 by using this method, which we did on one of the previous pages. 2/5 of 20. First I do 20, which is the whole number, divide by the denominator. 20 divided by 5 is 4. And then multiply 4 by the numerator to get the answer 8. So 2/5 of 20 is 8. So as I said, if you did this method, that's level 3. If you do both methods, showing your thinking in more than one way, we know that that's a level 4. So I did both ways for a level 4. Question number 5. Is kind of similar, but now we're doing a little bit of problem solving. It's not just simply saying how many months is 1 3/4 years. It's asking us to compare 1 3/4 years to 17 months. You don't have to do anything to the 17 months, it just is already written in months. But you do need to convert 1 3/4 years into months. Now, I know that 1 year is 12 months, so I'm just going to put that away for later, and I'm going to focus on the 3/4. 3/4 of a year is 3/4 of 12 months. Then I use the method from before, the whole number 12, multiply or divide by the denominator, 4 is 3. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Then I take the 3, multiply it by the numerator, and I get 9 months. So, like I said earlier, 1 year is 12 months. 3/4 of a year now we have figured out is 9 months. Now if I add those up, I get 21 months altogether. And then I'm going to go back, I'm going to compare it to 17 months. Clearly 21 months, or 1 3/4 years, is greater than 17 months. And that's my answer. If I did that correctly, we've got a 3+. If you did another method for figuring out that 3/4 of a year is 9 months, like this diagram here, and do both of them, then we're talking about a level 4.